So, hello everybody, today we will do this exercise and how to do it I will show you now. So first what you need is middle split, and after we'll try and do our handstand. So for middle split you need warm up. So which warm up? We will try take on our legs and sit in the plies. After we slowly change the legs and stretch them and change and back. So after we'll get sit in this position, take one leg more for ourselves and take stretch and move back, zoom, back, zoom, back. Let's work with another leg. Sit, move, and open our hip. Zoom, back, and three, back. Good work. After that, we'll take two legs, take our hand, and try and slowly stretch down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. After that, we will get working with our handstand. So how to do that? We will try stand on the floor, and you must take your hands in this side, and head might be that. So okay, you can take your head, and how to you must go. You take your legs and try to take your leg on your hand. When you fix in this position, you can try move in this. When you feel good, you can try open your legs and stay in this pose. So I will try to do that on another side, like this. We take hands, take head, move our body up and going in this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and how to move? I will stand on this position, take my hands, and I will do like this move and take my legs in this side. So let's try take it together. I will stand, take my hands, take it on the floor, and take my hands and move my legs. Self-fixed. 1, you can move your legs if you stand good. So I will go back, take my breath, slowly breathe out, and go relax after this tension. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you like this video. Write me good comments and follow me. So bye bye.